waxaan jecelahay markan inaad ila soo dhaweysaan ra'iisul wasaaraha Ethiopia ABII AXMED.
waxaa inga go'an inaan sii hojayno iskaashiga labada dal iyo dad iyo walaalaha. Soomaaliya ha noolaato, Ethiopia ha noolaato. Hambalyeey mudane Madaxweyne, waxaan ku rajaynayaa in Ilaahay ilkii kugu astro. waxaan u rajaynayaa shacabka Soomaaliya nabad waarta iyo barwaaqo. hambalyeey mudane Madaxweyne, waxaan ku rajaynayaa in Ilaahay ilkii kugu astro. waxaan u rajaynayaa shacabka Soomaaliya nabad waarta iyo barwaaqo. Mr. President, I am extremely happy to see a small transition of power in Somalia. What I have observed so far is very much reassuring that there will not be a power transfer in Somalia both at the federal and regional levels without elections. This does not mean, however, that elections do not come and go without some setbacks. Nevertheless, the incremental steps taken towards harnessing democratic process within the whole region will positively shape our collective standing. The government and people of Ethiopia in the last few years have strengthened ties with our brothers and sisters in Somalia. This has come about as a result of a change in our foreign policy, which is rooted in collaboration for mutual growth and development. We don't view our progress as a nation separate from that of our neighbors, for we truly understand that a neighbor at peace with itself is an ally for our path to prosperity. Our regional integration aspirations are premised on maximizing our existing cultural, economic, and political assets. I have no doubt that with your leadership, we will further consolidate and multiply the gains we have made in diplomacy in the past few years. Somalia has continued to see an opportunity for progress and development in spite of the many challenges that the nation is confronted with. I wish you and your government that would soon come into being much success to achieving the political and the roadmap you have outlined. In light of this, the government of Ethiopia is fully behind you in implementing the one person, one vote universal suffrage in 2025 after 58 years. Mr. President, you have already put a challenge upon yourself to complete the constitutional tasks, a smooth federalization process, and to work on the security as well as the public financial management reforms. I want to once again express and reiterate the commitment of the government of Ethiopia to Mr. President and the people of Somalia at large. My government is committed to work together in a more robust relationship to achieve a better future to our people and to determine our mutual destiny together. Waha inga goan inansi hoja inno iskashiga lebada dal iyo dad walahara. Somalia ha nolato, Ethiopia ha nolato. Thank you very much.